A topic that takes us beyond our world, beyond what eyes can see and hands can touch. Our associate theme is space exploration, a step into the unknown. For centuries, people have gazed at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond all those twinkling stars. Curiosity has always been a part of human nature, and it is this curiosity that led us to step into the vast unknown, the outer space. Before we begin our journey through space and science, let's take a moment to seek blessings for knowledge, courage, and wisdom. Let's all join our hands and close our eyes for prayer.
Isaiah chapter 40 verses 26. Lift up your eyes on high and see. Who created these? He who brings out their host by number, calling them all by name, by the greatness of his might, and because he is strong in power, that not one is missing. This is the word of the Lord.
Now, let's welcome Rudra for the Lord of the Day.
Exploration is curiosity put into action. The desire to know what lies beyond the next horizon, Carl Sagan. And repeat, exploration is curiosity put into action. The desire to know what lies beyond the next horizon, Carl Sagan.
Thank you for your thought, Rudra. Indeed, a great discovery in space begins with a simple question. What if? Now, a quick look at today's space headlines. ISRO prepares for India's first human space mission, Gaganyaan, to be launched soon. NASA continues its Artemis program aiming to return humans to the moon by the end of the decade. The James Webb Telescope has captured stunning new images of distant galaxies. The story of space exploration is one of courage, creativity, and curiosity. It all began on October 4, 1957, when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. The small little sphere changed the course of history.
A few years later, in 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit the Earth, and then, in 1969, the world was in awe as Neil Armstrong took his famous step on the moon, saying, "That's a small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
Since then, humankind has sent space probes to explore Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and even the edges of the solar system. The International Space Station has become a symbol of global cooperation, where astronauts from different nations live and work together in orbit. India too has made a remarkable progress. Our scientists at ISRO have achieved milestones like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan, proving that dedication and intelligence can take us to the stars. Recently, India proudly became the first nation to land near the moon's south pole, marking a golden chapter in our space history.
Today, we are excited to present a short but meaningful skit that takes us beyond the Earth, all the way to Mars. But wait, this is just not about planets, astronauts, and satellites. It's about something far more important, our own planet Earth. In this skit, you will see two scientists who are passionate about space exploration. As they discuss the possibility of humans living in Mars, they also remind us of a powerful message. Even if we explore the universe, we must never forget to protect our home planet Earth. Now, let's listen to the conversation and discover how looking at the stars can make us value the Earth even more.
Do you think humans will ever live on Mars?
Maybe Maybe, but before that, we need to learn how to protect our earth.
True. Space exploration helps us understand not just the planet, but also our own, the air we breathe, the climate we depend on, and the life we must protect.
Exactly. The more we explore space, the more we realize how precious and fragile our planet really is. Space exploration doesn't make us escape Earth. It helps us appreciate it more.
To capture the spirit of exploration and imagination, we present a poem that celebrates courage, curiosity, and the limitless power that await those who dare to dream. Dear friends, beyond the clouds, a poem that reminds us that the sky is not the limit, it is only the beginning. Now, let me welcome my friend Rinsa to recite a poem.
Beyond the clouds, beyond the blue, lies a world both strange and new. Stars that whisper, planets that spin, inviting us to look within. We guide as our guiding light, we chase the dark, embrace the night. For those who dare, who dream, who try, the limit's not Earth, it's the sky.
Space exploration is not just about rockets, satellites, or astronauts. It's about human curiosity, courage, and hope. Every launch, every discovery teaches us something new about our place in the universe. As students, we too must be explorers. Explorers of idea, of knowledge, and of truth. Like astronauts, we must take bold steps into the unknown, whether it's solving a tough problem, trying something new, or chasing a dream. So, as we end today's assembly, let's remember, every great journey begins with curiosity, courage, and a single step. Maybe one of us here will be the next scientist, astronaut, or innovator who takes humanity one step further into the stars. Let's carry the spirit of exploration and discovery throughout the day. Now, I would like to take this moment to invite our respected Ma'am Shashika to address the gathering and share her valuable thoughts with us.
Respected principal, vice principals, brothers, sisters, colleagues, supporting staff and beloved students, a pleasant good morning to one and all. Curiosity, courage and hope are the guiding lights of a meaningful life. They are inseparable, the quiet rhythm behind every step of growth. Every journey begins with a single question. Just a child watches a little bird and wonders, could I fly too? That is curiosity, an invitation to explore new paths, embrace fresh ideas, and chase unseen dreams. Yet dreaming alone is not enough. It is courage that transforms into reality. The courage to rise after a fall, to try again despite setbacks. Every great success was once a failure, and the difference lies in the bravery to keep moving forward. And accompanying us every step of the way is hope, the gentle but unwavering belief that today's small efforts can shape tomorrow's great changes. Even in the darkest moment, a tiny spark can light the way. That is quite power of hope. So let us live by these three. Begin with the curiosity, journey with the courage, and reach for your goals with hope. Cordial thanks to the students of class 5B and their class teacher, Mrs. Sini, for taking up such an inspiring topic. Curiosity sparks, courage drives, hope leads. Thank you and have a hopeful day.
A pleasant morning to one and all. What an incredible day it was, our school exhibition. I am very proud to announce the lucky draw winners of Sustainaway 2025 exhibition. I request our esteemed Vice Principal, Reverend Father Noel Matthew P.O.R. to distribute the prizes and appreciate our winners. Our ultimate grand prize winner was one of our auntie, Ma'am Geeta, Mrs. Geeta. We have already handed over the prize to her on that day itself. we are going to give the first 8 prizes. Okay? So next, the second prize winner is Danish of class 6A. The third prize winner is Sania of class 10A. The fourth prize winner is Tejas of class 7D. Fifth prize winner is Jasmine of class 7D. Sixth prize winner is Irene Jijo of class 5D. And the seventh prize winner is Navaneet of class 2A. Eighth prize winner is Isa of class 8B. Once again, let's celebrate all our lucky winners by a huge round of applause.
I take this moment to congratulate all the winners of Devana Sustainaway 2025 for getting the lucky draw prizes. For saying congratulations. I also congratulate class 5th students for the beautiful assembly they have presented before us. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Thank you, Father and Man. Before we set on today's inspiring journey of aspiration and learning, let's first renew our promise to our nation, a promise of unity, responsibility, and respect. Let us stand for the national pledge, and thereafter I invite the school choir for national anthem.
Attention!